Local reaction. Cyprus has seen a number of reactions and responses toward the austerity measure of the ballot plan. The Cypriot Far Left Party Committee for a Radical Left Rally or ARES organized the first protest against austerity while the Troika negotiations were still taking place. Protesters were gathered outside the House of Representatives, holding banners and shouting slogans against austerity. Leaflets with alternative propositions for the economy were distributed in the protest, with proposals including the nationalization of banking, the reduction of the army and the freezing of the army budget, and the increase of the corporate tax. Members of New Internationalist Left (NDI) also participated in the protest. On 14 November, the New Internationalist Left organized an anti-austerity protest outside the Ministry of Finance in Nicosia together with the Alliance against the memorandum. In the protest, NIDAI gave out leaflets which expressed the view that the EU is trying to burden the workers with the debts from the collapse of the bankers, and that if this happens, the Cypriot economy and the future of the new generation will then be mortgaged to local insurgent profiteers and usurious bankers. Contract teacher protests outside the House of Representatives on 29 November against austerity measures that would leave without a job next year. The teachers stormed the building and bypassed the policemen entering the parliament. The teachers shouted against the bank and property, and protest by investors was taken on the morning of 11 December outside the House of Representatives, with protests against storming parliament and bypassing the police. The storming of the parliament led to the interruption of the discussion of the Parliamentary Committee of Customs. The protester was asked to leave so that the committee could continue its work, and the protesters left half an hour later. A number of protests took place on 12 December. Members of larger families protested outside the House of Representatives against cuts in the benefits given by the state to support larger families. Protesters threw eggs and stones at the main entrance of the parliament, and a number of protesters tried to enter the building, but were blocked by the police forces that arrived to handle the protest. It was reported that a woman fainted during the incident. The protesters shouted for the MPs to come out but no response was given. The protesters were joined by members of KISOA, or Kripot Confederation of Organizations of the Disabled, who marched from the Ministry of Finance to the House of Representatives to protest against cuts in benefits for people with disabilities. Later in the day, members of public school teachers trade union protest outside the Ministry of Finance against the cuts in education spending, which could result in the firing of teachers. The union staged another protest the next day near the House of Representatives. Harafi, a far left-wing newspaper, reported that just before bank deposits were blocked, a number of companies belonging to family of President Nikos Anastasiades have transferred over 21 M outside of Cyprus. Anastasiades has denied this allegation. Also, a number of loans issued to members of political parties or public administration office were fully or partially written off. New EU bank depositor, non-resident investor who had deposit prior when the plan to impose laws on Sheffer was first formulated and will lose unless the 3 million euros would be eligible to apply for crippled citizenships.